Slow down. Oh. Told you to slow down. Okay, babe. Slow down, honey.
I made a big... Here.
Lagyan ko lang.
And it's still daytime.
Okay. Careful.
I'm still getting ready for
Slow down, honey. Slow down. Agoy, ginoo ko.
crashes and makes your lights go out.
Yeah. I will put this one here so that the corner lalagyan ko yun dyan para di pa sila makuan sa corner. Slow down, Nak! Slow down! Be careful, love. Slow down. Good job. Good job. Slow down.
Remember, you're supposed to chase me?
I know, chasing. Oy. Just play.
But I'm going after you.
Just practice your bicycle. Focus your bicycle, guys. You don't want to fall down, get hurt.
You almost crashed.
Be careful. Oh, watch out. Oop. Tangan nakukuns nga rin ah. Be careful.
No, I crashed into you.
Okay, watch out.
I crashed into you. Hey, I'm crashing. We both crashed. And we're both Your lights came off. All your lights came off.
Oh, watch out. Break.
Say I ran
Oh.
into you, and your lights, all your lights came off. But you see, like outside.
Slow down.
Yeah, but what I don't know is gonna be. And it's not that time, so we can't really see. So we both crashed into each other. And then we both fell.
You okay?
No, it's a fake.
Okay.
It's not real.
It's not real. Ay, mga bata ah. Tired?
I really didn't crash.
Uh-huh.
So you crashed a lot, but I
Slow down.
crashed into you. You didn't go backwards.
Slow down.
Crashes.
Slow down. Crashes. Slow down. Marunong na siya. Oh. Oops, up. Ay. Slow down na.
I did. I crashed into you.
Drink your water, Liam.
This is a water.
Yeah, it's a water break. I put ice on it. It's cold.
Sorry. That was actually. That feels okay. Did that?
Ayan, water break daw muna sila. May ano dito eh. Ayan, bicycle ni ate at saka yung bicycle ko. Pwede mag-bike pag ano sa park. They are so happy daw that they are best friend. Ang cute ng dalawa.
You get damaged by
Slow down na.
Oh,
Oh, ayan na. Slow down. You need to brake, honey. That's why mommy put cones in it there. Joshua, don't do that, nak. Crashes ko no pastilan mga bata. Okay, be careful. Oh, Joshua, you need to wait, honey. Wait. Wait, there you... Joshua, you need to wait. There you go. Watch out, Joshua Abbott, ha? Muro ba yung kabal? Joshua, slow down, honey. Ay, nabata. Bago rin na siya nakabalog bicycle na wala ito. Slow down, Joshua Abbott, ha? And brake. Just be careful. Ganina nag-kuan sila nag-fire ayan, nag-shooting sila ganina kanang na duckling. So nag-gun sila ng ducks o kani snarf. Joshua, slow down, Joshua. No chasing, honey. Oh, slow down. Liam, slow down, honey. Slow down, honey. Slow down. You don't want to fall and get hurt. Slow down, honey. Slow down, honey. Slow down. Balance, ha. Balance, ha. Slow down, Liam. Focus, honey, focus your bicycle. Be careful. Nah. Be careful, honey. Oh. Agoy no. Ipangkakoy ko no. Get up, honey. Get up because it's dirty. Slow down, honey. Slow down, Liam. Okay. Bye-bye. Mag-video ako mamaya. Today is March 10, 2025. Yan. Dito mag-sleep over si Liam mamaya. Be careful, honey. Be careful.